Alright y'all, today I will be making slime. I said I was not gonna let this trend pass me by yet again. And plus I am grown and can't nobody with me. So I spent my own money to buy this glue and a little thing of Tide. I mean, hey kids, if you're out there and you wanna make slime, save your little coins, $2, go to Walmart. Now this, I am dumping this on the table. This, kids, is why your parents don't want you to make slime, because y'all have this stuff everywhere. It gets in carpets, it gets on the table, y'all don't know how to get it off, and y'all not using y'all common sense on how to get it off. But me, I'm grown. Remember that. Remember that. I'm trying to get all the glue out because I probably won't be making this again. And I'm gonna use this as my activator. Dang, why is it coming out so slow? I thought it was gonna be like an ASMR. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Oh, and it smells good. Alright. I'm gonna use this top because I really don't want this on my hand. Yeah, it's gluing together. We getting somewhere, you guys. Oh, I had shaving cream to put in there to make it like fluffy, and I'm using this Gillette brand. The reason why it's in a different language is because I got it for cheap at a dollar store somewhere around here. So we're gonna use, oh, they got on the wall. We're gonna use a good little bit of this, like this much. And this smells good too. This smells really good. And I'm gonna, oh, no scissors. I'm gonna just use the whole thing because it's clumping together, but not like slime like. And my shaving cream is not like thick how like everybody else's is, but it's getting the job done. And then kids, if you don't want this on your mom's table, use a Ziploc bag. It gives you the same effect. And I don't mind using this table because it is glass and it's gonna just, it's glass and glue. Glue not gonna stick to it really, and I could just wipe it off if it was like majorly stuck. Alright. I think I need some more stuff. Alright, y'all. I might be grown, but this stuff making a mess. Alright, that's the whole thing. See if I can get this off this table. Oh, y'all. Well, it's so sticky. This stuff all over my hands. This stuff is everywhere. Oh, no. Let me see if I can scratch it up. Y'all, but it smells so good. Look how pretty it is. Oh, I wish I had like something to put in it, like some hair beads or something. Alright. I think it's no, well, it's all the little soap stuff, so it gotta work. I should have just used my hand from the jump. It's not sticky. I mean, it's not clumping up the way everybody else's is. Like, you know, some people's theirs be like, maybe it's the shaving cream, maybe it's too off. Cause They don't supposed to do that. Yeah, this too sticky. Maybe it's too much glue. And this is all over this table. And this is a gaming table, and I don't know how to get this off. Maybe if I keep kneading it, it'll just like the glue would just clump together. I should do this in the Ziploc bag. Kids, don't listen to me. That's why you got parents. They tell you what's right, because y'all try to go do what other people do, but we don't even know what we doing. Like, don't listen to us on TikTok. We grown because we got a job and we paying our own bills, but common sense wise, we just like y'all. We ain't no better. But I did make a glob of slime. And this is slime me. I don't even want to use my other hand because this one is free. I got glue everywhere. I get glue everywhere. Alright. And I don't think I should use no more shaving cream. I don't think I should use anything because it's like sticky, slimy. And it's not. I don't know. Maybe this wasn't enough soap. Or maybe I'm moving too fast. I definitely got a ball of slime. And it's, oh, it smells so good. All right, this is the best I'm gonna do because I gotta get this off this table. And it's making a bigger mess. Oh, maybe it's not. Okay, maybe I just gotta keep working it. Cause it is like clumping together. Remember, like as a kid, you used to put glue on your hand and it, like you peel it off. Just trying to get it to like, I don't know if the glue is too cheap. Should've just got some Elmer's. But me, I was like, it ain't that serious. I just wanna do something. Oh, y'all look at my slime. All right, let me see. Oh, and it's so fluffy. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I gotta work it. Work that glue in because it's not on my hand no more. Okay, you gotta use both hands. You can't be like me and try to be cute